Ooh, this is your golden Leon Claw, and it's very suitable for Leon Claw to be gold. Yeah. Then the next one is your, see that? That is your, this is your new green Viper tail. Yeah, it's a green Viper tail, and we know Viper tail is a little bit strong. Okay, next one, we have here a violet, oops, that's the camera. A violet Night Lance. Yeah, it's a Violet Night Lance special release of the Shark Edge. But the Shark Edge is it's a bootleg, okay, or a fake one. But this is the color that was specially released last time. Your Dran Buster, but it is now on a red color. It's like now the Wing Phoenix. Yeah, it's like the Wing Phoenix already. But still, it has the same, but the gear